This is BJ here at the Go Rhino booth at 2019 SEMA show talking about the Trailline bumpers for the Jeeps. So the Trailline bumpers are available in a stubby, straight, and full, and they're all winch ready. One of the unique features is that if you don't want to use a winch, this whole area has a winch access panel covered just like our BR bumpers, so that if you don't want to use a winch, it doesn't look like the bumper is missing something. All you have to do is remove that access panel, and that's where your winch goes. But of course, the really unique feature about the Trailline bumpers is that we have the only Jeep bumper that has a locking center drawer. And what most people say when they see that is, sweet. So all of our Trailline bumpers are designed to fit the factory fog lights. And then of course, if you choose the optional light mount bar, we have 3 series of optional bolt-on light mount bars, so you can add whatever additional lighting that you want, either above, inside, or underneath the light mount bar. So there are lots of lighting options available with either the Trailline 10, 20, or 30 light mount bar that'll go on any of the Trailline stubby, straight, or full bumpers. And of course, one of the great things about the Trailline series or the Rockline series from Go Rhino is that all of the front bumpers will fit on a JK, a JL, or the new Gladiator JT. So one bumper will fit all 3 trucks.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.